Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video I wanted to bring you what I believe to be one of the more successful ways of navigating a market and to really plan out your trades by using sector approach first and then taking it down into the individual names. And one of the most interesting ones that I see as of this moment is through home builders or home construction, namely the ETF ITB. So you can see the fresh 52-week low. You can also see a pattern that I believe continues to maintain most of its bearish qualities. And then the idea, as we do in most of these free videos, that we are looking for a squeeze or for something that is getting ready to really have a directional move. Then, by looking at the top 10 names in that sector very quickly through this type of a display, you can see that all of these, right, all of the top primary components are also in squeezes. So when everything is lined up like that, you are more than likely getting ready for a directional move. And I think if you give yourself time out into the summer, you're going to see Home Depot at lower prices. You're also going to see Lowe's at higher prices. So just some quick analysis on this, and you could take it, I will likely do it through the ETF and then also through a few of these picks. You want to be able to tolerate a move back up into the 21 EMA. So if you've got a day like that, think about the move that you saw here, right? Be willing to tolerate moves into the 21 EMA as long as that continues to act as resistance. And then in time, right, taking out the low and moving into the 1272 extension, ideally with a directional move on the back of the squeeze. So pretty outright bearish charts as far as I can tell. We've got to be willing to tolerate a little bit of heat in the idea because you did see some extreme readings from the put-call ratio today. So if into Thursday and Friday, maybe that's a little bit of what's going on, so be it. But give yourself a couple of weeks, and I think you see those home builders into lower prices. So you'll have a great rest of your evening, and we'll see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.